Hey there, Surf Office fans! Friendly workplace competitions are a great way to boost teamwork, get everyone engaged, and inject some fun into the workday. They can help gamify regular processes like sales, customer satisfaction, and quality assurance, leading to better results and more productivity all around. In today's video, I'll share 5 of our favorite workplace contests that you might want to try with your colleagues the next time you need a little motivation. On your marks, get set, let's go. Our first workplace competition is called Around the World. It's a step contest, and it's a great option if your company is focusing on team health and wellness. This competition involves having team members monitor their daily steps, working to meet a certain number or get the most in the group. You can put a fun spin on things by leveraging a map concept where each step is equal to 1 mile. Employees can work their way around the world by adding more steps each day. The race can last as long as you want, but a few weeks is probably best if you really want to let employees complete their globe-trotting expedition. Next up, we have desk decorating, where staff will transform their desks into works of art. To get organized, we recommend choosing a theme and setting a budget. Then encourage everyone to get creative. Some popular ideas include under the sea, Hollywood, outer space, steampunk, and college dorm. Depending on the size of your office, you can have team members decorate individually or in teams. Make sure to set a time limit and then have a panel of judges walk around and view everyone's setup before selecting a winner. Remote employees can get in on the action too by decorating their home offices and submitting photos. Our third workplace competition is a video contest. Thanks to platforms like TikTok, short-form videos have become extremely popular, and this contest is all about unleashing your inner influencer. It works best in smaller teams, so divide up your group and give each team 1 or 2 hours to script, produce, and edit their video content. You can choose a theme or let everyone's imaginations run wild. When time's up, watch all of the videos together and have the group vote on a winner. Bonus points for including a movie-themed prize pack, like theater tickets or movie night snacks. Next up, we have the spring cleaning scavenger hunt. Messy offices are no fun. In fact, according to the Harvard Business Review, a disorganized workspace can have a real impact on productivity and morale. Naturally, you want everyone to help clean up, and the easiest way to do that is to turn it into a game. To host a spring cleaning scavenger hunt, hide paper clues in various messy spots around the office, and have team members sort through things in an effort to find them. For instance, you might put a clue on an unstocked paper towel machine, an overflowing trash can, or a desk that's buried in paperwork. Hide the clues in such a way that people will need to organize or tidy up a bit in order to obtain the clues. As an added incentive, consider offering small prizes for each clue collected, like candy or a gift card to a local cafe. And last but certainly not least, we have a photo caption contest. To organize this contest, choose a funny meme or a cool photo and ask everyone on your team to come up with a clever caption. Share the results in an email thread with the entire office and have everyone reply with their favorites. This is a quick and easy competition to throw together and is sure to give everyone a good laugh while they're sorting through their inbox. A win-win, if you ask us. And that's that for today's roundup of fun-filled workplace contests. Now, can I ask you a favor? Subscribing to this channel helps us bring you more videos just like this one. So if you've enjoyed today's content, please consider following along and stay tuned for more videos coming soon. See you next time.